So here we are at the end of round 10. I've done my last chain 5. I'm going to skip the next 2 single crochet. Here's my chain 2 space. I'm going to do 2 double crochet into there. 1, 2, and then we are at our beginning 3 double crochet. Here's our beginning chain 3. Here's our beginning chain 3 into the third chain of chain 3. We're just going to do a slip stitch to connect, and this is what my piece looks like at the end of this round. Now for round 11. For round 11, we're going to chain 3, and then we're going to do a double crochet in each of the next 2 double crochet. So the first one here, second one here, and this will lead you up to your chain 3 space. We will do 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet in the next chain 3 space. So 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, chain 3, and 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and then we will do a double crochet in each of the next 5 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 double crochet into each of those. 1 double crochet into each of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we will do 5 double crochet in the next chain 5 space. So here's our chain 5 space, 5 double crochet into there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we will skip the next 2 single crochet and single crochet into the third single crochet. That leaves those up to the next chain 5 space, where we will do 7 single crochet into there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
We'll do 1 single crochet in the next single crochet. Skip the next 2 single crochet. Here we are at our next chain 5 space. We're going to do 5 double crochet.
1, 2, 3, 4,
and 5, and then we're here at our corner. We will do 1 double crochet in each of the next 5 double crochet.
1, 2, 3, 4,
5, and then we're at our chain 3 space. In this chain 3 space, we're going to do 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, chain 3, and 3 double crochet back into that same chain 3 space. 1, 2, 3, and then here we are. We have 5 double crochet left. We're going to do 1 double crochet into each of those.
1, 2, 3, 4,
5, and then we're at our chain 5 space. In the chain 5 space, we're going to do 5 double crochet into there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and
then we're going to skip the next 2 single crochet and single crochet in the next single crochet. Then we're here. We're going to do 7 single crochet into this chain 5 space. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Here we are at the middle. In this middle 3 single crochet, we're going to skip the first single crochet, do 1 single crochet into the second single crochet, and skip the third single crochet, and that'll leave us to this chain 5 space. We're going to do 7 single crochet into there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7 single crochet into the next single crochet, skip the next 2 single crochet, and we're going to repeat with at our corner here 5 double crochet into this chain 5 space, 1 double crochet in each of the next 5 double crochet. Here's our corner. 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet, 1 double crochet into the next 5 double crochet, 5 double crochet into the next chain 5 space, skip the next 2 single crochet into the third single crochet, 7 single crochet in the chain 5 space, single crochet in the next single crochet, skip the next 2 single crochet, 5 double crochet in the next chain 5 space, 1 single crochet in each of the next 5 double crochet, 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet in the corner, 5 double crochet in the next 5 double crochet, 5 double crochet in the next chain 5 space, skip the next 2 single crochet into the third single crochet, 7 single crochet into the next chain 5 space, skip the next single crochet in the next single crochet, skip the last single crochet, 7 single crochet in the next chain 5 space, single crochet in the next single crochet, skip the next 2 single crochet, 5 double crochet in the next chain 5 space. After you do your 5 double crochet in this chain 5 space, you're going to do 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 double crochet that are left, and then we're here at the beginning to join. I will meet you at the end here. So repeat this to here. So here we are at the end of round 11. I've done my last 2 double crochet, and now I'm just going to slip stitch into the beginning third chain of chain 3 to connect like this, and this is what my piece looks like at the end of this round. Now for round 12. For round 12, we're going to cut our color. So I'm going to take my red color, bring it into this slip stitch that we just did, but into the back loop of the slip stitch. So take your slip stitch here, the back loop. So each stitch is comprised of 2 loops, the front loop and the back loop. You're going to take the back loop. So once you hook into the back loop of that slip stitch you just made, bring your border color through.
Like this. Like this.
Now we're going to chain 1 and single crochet into the same stitch. Chain 1, single crochet into the same back loop of that slip stitch we just did. At the same time I'm going to be working my yarns with us. So that means just letting it rest on our hook as we do our stitches. Like this. Just pull our things tight at the very beginning just so that it's secure like this. Now I did my chain 1, single crochet. The next step is to do a single crochet in each of the next 3 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, we should have 2 double crochet left. So in the next one, into the back loop, a single crochet. So for the remainder of this round, all single crochets are to be made in the back loops. 1, 2, 3. We have 2 double crochet left. We're going to do a picot, chain 2, slip stitch into the second chain from the hook. After our picot, we're going to do 1 single crochet in each of the next 2 double crochet. 1 and 2, and that'll lead us up to the chain 3 space here. In this chain 3, we're actually going to be working on the chains itself, 1, 2, 3. The first chain, we're going to be doing a single crochet. The second chain, we're going to be doing single crochet, picot, single crochet large, picot, single crochet, picot, single crochet, all into this second chain. So single crochet, picot, which is chain 2, slip stitch into the second chain from the hook, single crochet back into this chain, large picot is chain 3, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch into the third chain from the hook, 1, 2, 3. Single crochet back into this chain. Now we're going to do a picot, which is chain 2, slip stitch into the second chain from the hook, single crochet back into the chain, and now we're finished that. We have 1 chain left over, chain 3, our third chain of chain 3. We're going to just do a single crochet into that third chain of chain 3, like this. So we created this, 1, 2, 3. Now we are at our double crochets. We're going to do one single crochet into the next 2 double crochet, once again in the back loop. 1, 2. Now we're going to do a picot, 1, 2, slip stitch into the second chain from the hook, and we have 11 double crochet. In the next 11 double crochet, we're going to do 1 single crochet into each of those. So we have 9 single crochet here. The first one and the last one, we're going to do a slip stitch. The 7 in between, we're going to do 1 single crochet into each of those. So for the slip stitches all the way around, whenever we do a slip stitch, we do it into the both loops like a normal stitch. A slip stitch. Whenever we do a single crochet all the way around, we're going to do it in the back loops like how we've done here. Then in each of these next 7 single crochet, we're going to do 1 single crochet.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7. That'll bring us to our last single crochet where we will do a slip stitch into there. So it's the same all the way around. So whenever we get to this part here, we have our 9 single crochet. The first one and the last one, slip stitch, the 7 in between, a single crochet. So same thing here. First, last, slip stitch, 7 in between, single crochet, 7 in between, single crochet, the last one, slip stitch, and then we're here. Same thing, right? All the way around. So once you're done that, you have your double crochet. You're going to do a single crochet in each of the next 11 double crochet.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
11, and that'll give you 2 double crochet left. You're going to do a picot. And you're going to do 1 single crochet in each of the last 2 double crochet. 1, 2, and then that'll lead us to your chain space here. In the chain, you're going to work in the chains itself. The first one is single crochet. The second one, single crochet, picot, single crochet, large picot, single crochet, picot, single crochet. Then 1 single crochet into the third chain. Then you'll do 1 single crochet in the next 2 double crochet, picot, 1 single crochet in the next 11 double crochet, slip stitch into the first single crochet, 1 single crochet in the next 7, slip stitch into the second single crochet, 1 single crochet in the next 7, slip stitch into the last single crochet. Then you're here with your 11 double crochet. You will do 1 single crochet in each of those, picot, 1 single crochet in the next 2 double crochet. Then you're at your chain, and you're just going to repeat all the way around. So we're going to do that all the way around. I'll meet you at the end of this round. Now here I am at the end of this round. I've done my last single crochet. Here's my beginning single crochet of the round. All I'm going to do is connect it like this. And my piece looks like this. Now we're going to block it. So here I am ready to block it. All I've done is take some pins, pin it to a piece of cardboard, and now I'm going to take my iron and steam it. But what that's going to do is release all the fiber, so I'm going to keep steaming it. So I'm going to steam it a little longer, let it dry, and then I'll meet you once you've done that. So here we have it. I finished blocking my piece, and this is what my piece looks like once it's fully blocked. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please check out my other videos on my channel and subscribe for more videos. And the next one that will be coming up is the WISPWEAVE Octagon, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe for the notification for when this one comes out.